Hello, my name is Alexandra Dursick, and today I will be telling you about how to develop your Stage 2 for your Understanding by Design template to determine acceptable evidence for your unit. The goal of Stage 2 is to determine acceptable evidence for your unit. You will begin with performance tasks, which are assessments that give students the flexibility to demonstrate their knowledge of a skill. This assessment is meant to apply the concept in a more complex situation or atmosphere where the student is required to use more higher-order thinking. Within the performance tasks include desired results and evaluative criteria. Desired results are asking questions such as what long-term transfer goals are being targeted, what meaning should students make to arrive at understanding, what essential questions will students be asked, and what skills and knowledge do you want your students to acquire? The desired results are made up of the transfer goals and meaning goals created from Stage 1. Transfer goals are the long-term accomplishments that we want students to achieve, and meaning goals are the important ideas that we want students to draw inferences and come to understandings about. Desired results code is the code that you will refer to throughout the template that helps you refer to all of the transfer goals and meaning goals. After knowing your desired result, you will find other evidence that you will find achievement and results through, such as tests, quizzes, homework, or projects. Lastly, you will include other evidence, evaluative criteria, which includes criteria that will be used to evaluate how well students reach their desired results. You should include all of the qualities that are most important for students to have in their assessment, regardless of the type of assessment. The next step when creating Stage 2 is including other evidence. Other evidence includes other assessments that are testing knowledge, skills, standards, and other goals that are not included throughout the performance task. The other evidence also includes desired results and criteria as talked about during the performance tasks. The desired results include meaning goals, skill and transfer goals, along with knowledge and skill goals. Knowledge goals are the facts and basic concepts that you want students to understand and acquire. Skill goals are just skills that you want the students to learn throughout the unit. These desired results also have a code to refer to throughout the template. Other evidence is included to show students' demonstration of achievement for the standards and goals. Lastly, evidence evaluative criteria are included again, which is used to evaluate students' understanding of the desired results of the unit. When designing Stage number 2, you will design a grading rubric that is based on a performance task to evaluate the student on. The criteria listed throughout the rubric is the same criteria that was identified for the performance task. Once you list the criteria, you will describe the characteristics of each task. The characteristics range from exemplary to no evidence. For every criteria given, students will be judged on how well they achieve that goal. Exemplary is the best example and the best work that can be achieved for the criteria. Sufficient evidence found is where the student showed enough evidence for understanding, but there is still room to improve and demonstrate understanding. When a student receives need revision on the rubric, that student should make changes to improve their work and make more points to demonstrate their understanding. Lastly, no evidence shows that the student did not display any evidence of understanding and did not reach any of the goals provided. All three parts, including performance tasks, other evidence, and the grading rubric, are all parts that develop Stage number 2 of the UbD template. I hope this helps your understanding in developing your unit, and thank you for listening.